Assalamu alaikum, Junior 2 students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. This is your computer science teacher Miss Rabia from the platform of Satken Grammar School. Now take out your book, click start 2. Today we will cover the topics brushes and shapes on page number 51 till 55. Before we start our new topic, have a look on the previous topics which we have done in our previous video and in our previous physical classes. We have already done the components of paint and tools. Brushes. All of you have seen the different kinds of brushes in your home. Some brushes used for your to clean your teeth. Some brushes used to comb your hair. Some brushes is used to paint your walls, or some kind of brushes are used to draw pictures on scrapbook or drawing book. And you all know that paint application have also brushes tool, same like the brushes which you use for your scrapbook or your drawing book. So now let's discuss the brushes tool. Brushes. So students, open your book, page number 51. Brushes tools are located in the ribbon area. Brushes tool is similar to the line tool. When you click on brushes tool, different options of brushes appear on your monitor screen, and you can choose any option according to your drawing from this list. Brushes tool are used to draw freehand drawing and curves, and it is also used for coloring. Shapes. A shape can be defined as the form of an object or its outer line or outer boundary of any surface. Do you know everything we see in the world around us has a shape? There are different kinds of shape like square, rectangle, triangle, oval, etc. We can use these shapes to draw different types of picture. In paint, we can also have shape tools. Shapes. Shapes tool is located in the shapes group of the home tab. It is used to draw different shapes or different types of drawing. For example, if you want to draw a house, you can use different shapes like square, triangle, circle from the shape groups. Now let's learn how to use some shape tools like line tool. Line tool is used to draw a straight line. Rectangle tool. Rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles and squares. Oval tool is used to draw ovals and circle in paint application. Line tool. Line tool is used for drawing a straight line in paint. Let's start how to open or how to use line tool in your drawing area. First of all, you have to open paint application, then click on line tool in the shape group of home tab. This is your shape tool. In this shape tool, you have to click on line tool. Okay, when you click on line tool, the surrounding of the line turns into blue color. Got it? Now come to the size. If you want To draw thin line, you can choose thin line. You can click on thin line. Or if you want to draw thick line, you can choose thick line. It's depend on your drawing. Okay. After that, you can choose the color. Click on color 1, then choose any color from this color palette. Now drag your mouse to the drawing area and draw a straight line. Got it? You can also change the color. Click on color 1 and change the color of this line. Got it? How to use line tool in paint application? Tool and click on rectangle tool. When you click on rectangle tool, the surrounding of this rectangle turns into blue color. Now choose the size of the rectangle. Choose the border thickness. From this drop down list, you have 4 different sizes. So it's up to your drawing, or it's depend on your drawing. Click any size of your rectangle. Now for the color, you can click on color 1 and choose the color from this color palette. Now drag your mouse to the drawing area and draw a rectangle. Got it? Or if see the border of this rectangle is green because you click on color 1 for the border, and the inner color is golden or mustard, because you can you choose this color from color 2. Or if you want to revise this color, you can click on right mouse button and draw a rectangle. See, the color are now changed. The border turns into yellow or mustard color, and the inner part of this rectangle turns into green color. And have you seen the effects of this color? Why it's effect like a crayons? Because I choose the crayon from this fill with color drop down list. Okay, if you want to fill the color with solid, you can click on solid color. Got it? So your color turns into solid effect. Got it? Now if you want to draw a perfect square, you have to draw the square with the help of shift key. So press the shift key and hold it. Got it? Press and hold it. Now draw a perfect square with the help of shift key. Drag your mouse. Got it? Again, see, press the shift key and hold it, and drag your mouse and draw a perfect square. Understand how to draw a rectangle and a square in a paint application? Tool. Oval tool is used to draw ovals and circle in paint application. To draw oval tool, click on oval tool from shape group. When you click on oval tool, the surrounding of this shape turns into blue color. Now click on outline drop down list. When you click on outline drop down list, different effects options appear on your monitor screen. You can choose these options according to your drawing. I choose solid color for the outer line. Okay. Now choose the fill with color For inside, when you click on this option, these different effects appear on your monitor screen, and you can choose these effects according to your drawing. I choose crayon effects for the inner part of the shape. Now you can also choose the thickness of your border, and you can choose, come to the color palette, and you can choose the different colors according to your drawing. Now drag your mouse to the drawing area and draw an oval. See, the border color is black, solid black color, and the inner effect of this shape is like a crayon. Got it? Or for the to draw the perfect square, you can use, or you can press the shift key and hold it. Press the shift key and hold it and draw a perfect square. Press the shift key and hold it and draw a perfect square like this. Got it? How to draw an oval and circle in paint application. Do the practice of given task for your activity 2. So open paint application and write down these few lines or paragraph about my house and draw a house with the help of different shapes. That's all for today. See you soon. Goodbye.